This is how I have converted my video or audio to animated subtitle, as you can see here. Or if you want to do the same, you can stick with the video till the end. I will show you how you can do this. Now check this video.
The battle belongs to God. When we face our giants, whether they are fears, doubts, or overwhelming challenges, we must remember that it's not by our might, but by His divine power that we will overcome every obstacle.
Isn't it great? I'm telling you guys, this is really great. So Canva does a very nice job in converting your video to subtitle, animated subtitle, compared to other softwares or any online, like any online other websites. So I was actually using other software to create this subtitle, but after finding the secret how you can do it, I am telling you that this is the best way you can do. Like if you are editing your videos on Canva and you are using other separate software to do this, then I think you are wasting your time. It is better that you use this feature on Canva itself, and you will save a lot of time. So now let's get started. Okay guys, see, into this video basically what we are doing, see, Canva has an option to directly give the subtitle here. You can give a larger subtitle here, but that doesn't look pretty, right? So these days everybody is using this animated text subtitle, and which is really eye-catching, right? It is really attention-catching. So in this video we are going to learn what we have just watched now. So without wasting time, let's get started. But before they proceed further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon, please guys. I really need your support, so please do it. It will not cost you anything, so please subscribe and like this video right now, and please comment anything you can comment anything. Now let's get started. Okay, so the number one what you can do is you have to upload. If you have edited your video from separate software, then you can just upload it here and bring into the workspace timeline. Or if you are using the audio file only, then bring the audio here and then insert one background image. You need to do that because where would you show your text, right? Where would you show your subtitle? So to do that, you either bring your video to the timeline or audio to the timeline and then background image. Okay, so here I have with me three different videos, and I have my audio here, as you can see. So now what I have to do is what you have to do. Okay, I have already done. Now I'm teaching you how you could do. So now what you need to do is you simply need to go to apps. Okay, click here on the left corner, not right. Click on the apps. Okay, on the sidebar, click on the apps, and here I have animate subtitles for engaging videos, as you can see here. So instead of clicking there, you might not get this option. Like today, this subtitle application is showing up here, but if you're not getting this option here, then you can simply type here any animated subtitles. Okay, just click and then you will find. So this one, you can recognize the logo here. So you can click this one and then click on the create. So right after creating, click as you can see, all pages. You have to select all pages, or if you want only for the one page, you can select only one page, but I want in my entire video, so I would select all of them. As you can see, all pages, right? Now after selecting that, what you need to do is you need to click simply export, and right after clicking export, you need to wait for a few seconds. Now let us wait for the few seconds, and then we will go forward, and then I'll explain you that what you need to do. So just wait for a few seconds, please guys, have patience. Wait for a few seconds. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, as you can see, now we have the preset samples available here, as you can see. Now you can just preview this text, or you can preview this one, you can preview this one, or you can preview this one, you can preview this one, you can preview this one, whatever you prefer. Okay, so in my case, this one, focus. So focus preset is really eye-catching for me, and most of the people use this so that you can get the attention of the viewer, right? So I think this one looks more attentive. This one look more interesting. So as you can see here, my sample text is here. You can change the font here. As you can see, you can either select Oswald text or Rajdhani or Anton. Okay, by the way, this Rajdhani, as you can see, so actually my name is Raj. Okay, so my name is also included in this Rajdhani font name. So I really want to thank Canva for mentioning my name. Okay, let's go forward. Now you can also use Anton, as you can see. So for font, you don't have much option available for the font, but I think not Noto, I think I've used Oswald. Oswald is a pretty good font you can use. It's a simple but yet it's very clear and understandable, so you don't have to go for the other. You can use large text, and then I think I'll use in the middle, as you can see. And now if you want to capitalize your text, then you can simply select capitalized, or if you want to let it be in the case sensitive, then you can just let it be, don't touch anything. You can just unmark this. So I'll just check this out, and then as you can see, font color, you can select the font color, as you can see. So I think font color is white is best for me right now at the moment. White is best. And background color, let's select purple, or you can change the color as you want according to your preferences. The green highlight is pretty good, so I'll select green. And then now what you need to do, you just need to click on the generate. Now the work is not finished. Okay, stick to the video till the end. You have to do some settings here. Okay, you have to do some settings. Okay, the sound, I just mute the sound. Now here, see guys, the you can remove the dot, and you can remove the comma, because this doesn't looks good, okay, in the subtitles. So it's really good that you remove all these comma and full stop. Okay, let the question mark be there, and then what you need to do is you just need to create generate video, or before that you can just preview this. Okay, let's preview this. As you can see, okay, let's preview this. Okay, it is not showing up. You have to generate video. So let's generate the video and then see the outcome, how the result will show up. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes and then check it. So just wait for a few seconds. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. Yes, that's great. I am waiting, and it is creating my video. Guys, as you can see, my Canva is expiring after 2 days, and I have to buy, as you can see here. Yes, yes, I have to renew my Canva very soon. Yes, because Canva has saved a lot of my work. The premium version Canva has saved a lot of my time, my money, and many things. So now let's for the few seconds. Let's wait for the few seconds. Okay, my video is creating. Okay guys, if you don't want to wait, you can just forward the video and then watch. Okay, because I'm very lazy to edit the video, so I'm not editing the video. I'm just uploading as it is, as you can see. So this one is my video, and now I'll just mute the video. Okay, I'll mute the video and then I'll make full screen. Okay, why the full screen is not working? I don't understand. The full screen is not working, so let's just download it, and then let's go to the download. It is downloading. Okay, okay, as you can see, now it has come, but the option is not there. Still we cannot make it a full screen. So let's go to the download and then check. Okay, this one is our video.
The battle belongs to God. When we face our giants, whether they are fears, doubts, or overwhelming challenges.
That's it guys. I hope this video definitely helped you. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, and share this video. Okay, I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.